Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alice and I do makeup tutorials, reviews and things like that here on YouTube. So if that sounds like something you want to see, then carry on watching, and also it would mean a lot if you could subscribe to my channel. Today I have crazy hair. I'm going to an event today, but I wanted to do this video because it's super exciting. As you've probably seen by the title and the thumbnail, this video is all about the Revolution x Tammi Tropical Carnival Shadow Palette. Tammi has had a collaboration with Revolution before. I didn't actually try that palette. I wanted to, but I just thought it would be too neutral for me, and I have too many neutral palettes. Tammi really kindly sent this over to me because she wanted me to try it, and the event I'm going to today is actually a lunch for the launch of this, so I thought I have to use it. Like, it came yesterday and I thought, right, I'm gonna get up early and film. It's 8:30 and I'm filming, so it's obviously all like carnival themed, because that's like her heritage and stuff. But look at these colours. Oh my god, when I saw this I literally was like, you are kidding me. This is like such a perfect palette. You know I love colour. So pretty. I'm ever so excited. It's vegan and cruelty free and it's £10, which is so cheap. I don't think I'm going to do any swatches because I don't really have time and swatches don't really mean anything to me. I'm going to go in with the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas. This is in the shade Illustrate. I don't know what look to do today. I think I might do a rainbow look, but I don't know. I don't know. So what I think I'm going to do is do purple, red, orange, yellow, and then the shimmers I'll do green and blue, I think. Wait, red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I'm firstly gonna take a Morphe M506 and I'm gonna take this shade, which is the shade Girlies, and I'm just gonna pack this on my outer corner. That's a really pretty shade. And it's nice and pigmented. So that shade's really nice. It's like, what's the word? Opaque? It's like no patchiness, it's pigmented and nice. I like that shade. Now I'm gonna go in with the red shade, which is the shade Trini. Oh, this is an M507 from Morphe. And I'm gonna put that kind of above and a little bit on that purple shade, and then bring it in a little bit further into my crease. Oh, that's a nice red shade actually. I wasn't sure if it was going to be too pink, but I don't think it is. It's really pigmented. Now I'm going to go in with the orange, which is the shade Spice Island, and again I'm going to pack that above and a little bit on that red shade. Now I'm going to take the yellow. This is the shade Jouvert. I'm butchering that, but it's the bright yellow. But I'm going to blend this above the yellow. I'm going to blend this above the orange. And also bring it right into the front of my crease. Now I'm going back in with each of the shades. So I'm going back in with the orange Spice Island. And blending that out again. This is just to like make the colours blended and brighter. Like I always do this with every single look. If you watch my videos, it's probably very boring, but yeah. Now going back in with the red, which is Trini. And then back in with the purple, which is Girlies. You are my fire. Tell me why. Now number 5. So this is blended really nicely and the colours are so vibrant. So I'm going to cut my crease. I'm going to use some more of the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas. I'm going to do a half cut crease. Okay, so now I've cut the crease and I'm going to go in with the shimmer shades now. So the first shade I'm going to take is the Shimmer Purple, which is Destiny, I think. Yeah, Destiny. And I'm just going to put that like where the purple joins into the concealer to kind of blend the shimmers and the purple together. Now I'm going to go in with the blue shimmer, which is the shade Shortney, and I'm going to put that next to the purple. That's a really nice shade. Again, not really like shimmery. Like, it's shimmery, but it's not like foiled, but it's still really pretty, and I like this pigmented. Next I'm going in with the green, which is the shade Greens. And again, putting that next to that. And lastly, I'm going to go in with the shade Calypso, which is the lightest green shade. Put that right on my inner part of. So the shimmers aren't like the foiliest, like shimmeriest shimmers, but they're really pretty. I really like that light green shade. I think that's the most shimmery. I don't know if it's because it's light, but so far I'm really loving this look, and I'm really impressed with this palette. I'm going to use the pink, I think, on my lower lash line. So I'm going to go off camera, do my base and everything, and then come back and do my lower lash line, show you that and stuff, and then tell you my full opinion. So see you in a second. Okay, so I've done most of my base. I'm now going to do my lower lash line. So I'm going to take the shade Pink Panther, which is the pink shade, and oh, it's very pigmented. I'm going to run this on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the yellow and blend kind of the edges and a little bit on the lower lash line. Now I'm just going with a pink liner in my waterline. This is from Colourpop. That pink shade went on okay. It's not like really vibrant, but I don't know if it's probably because I set my under eyes and I don't set my lid. Yeah. I'm gonna use the Ofra X Nude Tutorials Glazed Donut Highlighter today. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna put on some lashes and lipstick and finish off my look, and then I'll be back to tell you my opinion. Okay, so this is the finished look. These lashes are Bold Face Bring It On lashes, and my lipstick is a Kiko lip liner with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London on top. The Kiko lip liner is the Sweetheart lip liner in 01. So yeah, so my opinion on this palette is that it's really nice. The fact that Tammi's come out with a full bright palette, there's not a neutral shade in here. Maybe this shade is a little bit neutral. It's like a dark gold and then the black, but that is all, like, it's all colourful and I just love it. I'm definitely going to be using this in more looks. So good for rainbow eyes. I know she's worked really hard on this for a while now, and I'm really proud of her. Tammi is such a lovely person. I've met her a couple of times now and she's just so sweet. I can't wait to see her again today. I've got to leave in like 25 minutes. But yeah, I really suggest getting this. One, to support Tammi, and two, because it's a good palette. For £10, like, it's £10. Like, it's really good. So thank you so much to Revolution and Tammi for sending me this over. Obviously my opinions are 100% honest. I'd tell you guys if I didn't like it. I wish the shimmers were just a little bit more foiled, but I still like them. I really like the selection of shades as well, because there's so many different shades. Like, there's a whole rainbow. I like that there's more mattes than shimmers. I'm just really impressed with this, so I'd really suggest going to buy it. It's out on Superdrug today when I'm filming this. It's the 20th. I'll leave the link in the description anyway. It's not affiliated or anything, just to let you know, because I want to let you guys buy good palettes, you know. Only £10 on Superdrug. It should be on the Revolution website as well. So yeah. Well done, Tammi, so proud of you and absolutely love this palette. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you are new. My Instagram is Alice King Makeup if you want to go follow me over there. I do lots of different makeup looks, of course. I hope you're having a really lovely day, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye.